Hello, friends, and hello, fellow vintage lovers. Welcome to a haul. So, this is a very eclectic haul. It's very interesting. Some of these items I picked up at First Monday in Canton, which you saw a little bit of footage of. There were not many vendors set up. So, I went on Saturday after my live sale, and I think we got there about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours before the flea market closed, and it was really windy and the cold front was coming, so a lot of people just started breaking down their tables and there wasn't as much to look at. We did end up going inside the building, which is where I picked up a couple of pieces, but there wasn't a lot to get, to be honest with you. Of course, I did find a couple of things for myself, and I will show you guys those because you know I always do. But a lot of these items are from the rummage sale that I went to last weekend as well. It was benefiting children in need of scholarships, which I thought was awesome. So I did go back a couple of times. They're doing it again this weekend. Probably not because of the snowstorm coming, but whenever they're set up to do it again, I'm going to bring some donations to them as well. I love helping out when I can. Okay, guys, so without any further ado, I am going to go ahead and get started. I do want to talk about my sales and invoicing this week as well. I do have a sale today. None of these items will be in that sale. It is a discount sale, and it is on Simon Says Let's Make a Deals channel. It's at 6 Eastern, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Then I have my Saturday sale, which is at noon Eastern, 11 a.m. Central Time. So I plan on invoicing tomorrow on Thursday. If there's really bad inclement weather, if we get that ice storm they're saying we might get, I may lose power. I may not be able to invoice. The other thing is I may not be able to ship until Monday, depending on what happens here. The post office is not open tomorrow. It's a federal holiday. And my local post office is not open on Saturdays for me to drop off packages. So depending on the weather, if you get an invoice and it isn't shipped right away, which is what I always try to do, it will be shipped as soon as possible. Having said all of this, if you have purchased items in the past week and you're ready for me to send you an invoice, just let me know. Just send me an email, calypsoantiques@gmail.com. But I just wanted to warn you guys about that because I don't know what's going to happen. Of course, you know, that's all the news here. Everybody's freaking out about possible snow and ice here in Texas. And if you're familiar with Texas weather, you know how crazy it can get. We are just not prepared for such things. So I thought I would mention that in this video. Okay, guys, so I'm going to try to divide it up by what I got in the flea market and what I didn't. So the first thing I want to show you, this is the find of the day. This is actually already sold, but I wanted to put it in this video because it's absolutely amazing. This is Fenton, and it is a piece of stretch glass, which I don't find very often. It is this really kind of opalescent carnival look to it. It has dolphins on the side, and it is just incredible. So when I picked it up, I just thought it was beautiful. I had no idea it was Fenton until I researched it when I got home. It's incredible. I love it. So at the flea market, I also picked up these two owls. These are mid-century. They're glass candle holders. And for those of you that know, I do collect owls, and I don't have these. So they may end up in my collection. I may sell them. If you're interested, just let me know. Ooh, I didn't clean these. They're wonderful. So they do look like Blanco, but they're not Blanco. They are just mid-century glass pieces, as far as I know. I will do a little bit more research on them. This back here is definitely a keeper. I do collect all sorts of Greco-Roman pieces, and I saw her. She is a reproduction of a bronze relief from Greece. And here is the back. Made in Greece. She's got this little tag here. I don't know how old she is. I haven't researched her yet. And I haven't translated that. Is she Rhea? I don't know. But I love her. And I did pay a little bit up for her. I did stick to a budget And I'm so proud of myself, guys. I did really well considering my budget. So I got her. Let's see, what else did I get there? I got these two pieces here. So these are Mexican pottery, and they are made by the same artist. He is influenced by different folk art techniques from Mexico, including Tonala, Talavera, and Alajibres. And this is an axolotl. She is amazing. These glow like crazy. I don't have my black light down here, but I'm sure you can tell how much they glow. She is incredible. And then I picked up this little chihuahua as well because, you know, I had to. This chihuahua glows like crazy too. Now, I paid up for these, you know, having talked to the person selling them and finding out that she travels to Mexico and knows the artist, you know, I wanted to support. So these two are going to be for sale. Then, is that it from the Flea? No, I'm forgetting the two amazing pieces of jewelry I got. So this actually was a gift. My husband was being sneaky and got this kind of behind my back. I was looking at the owls, these owls, and there was also jewelry in this booth. And I was just kind of looking around, and this is some sort of druzy. Now, I tried to figure it out. If any of you know, let me know. It is stunning. This is an artisan piece. Let me zoom in on it. This could be amethyst druzy with some sort of coating, and I think they call it a titanium coating. This could also be some other sort of bluestone, but I wanted to show you how it changes color. It's absolutely incredible. I love this design as well. I haven't looked up the artist yet. Of course, it's a keeper. It was a present for me, which was incredible. So I got that. And then this one is awesome too. This is a very old piece of Mexican jewelry. Not Mexican, Native American, gosh. And it is signed by the artist. Oh gosh, why are you not focusing? There it is there. This is a smaller ring. I think it's about a size 5.5 or maybe a 6. It's got some green turquoise. I love this design. It is incredible. It just doesn't want to focus. Really? Okay, there you go. It's got great patina, which I'm sure you can see. Anyway, so I picked that one up as well from a dealer that specialized in Native American jewelry. There was so much that I wanted to get, guys, but not much room for me to purchase to resell. Then this is something that I got. I did show this, but it hadn't sold yet, so I wanted to show it again. I got this as well. There was a vendor that had vintage and modern jewelry, and I picked this up. This is modern, but I thought this starburst was just phenomenal. Look at it. This is all glass. All the stones are there. It is absolutely gorge, and I love it. Then I picked these up. Okay, so what drew me was the statue of Zeus here. This is the statue of Zeus at Olympia. And some of these are the 7 wonders, and some are miscellaneous bronze pieces. Like this one is endangered species. This is obviously Egypt. Zeus, as I said. This is Alexandria, the lighthouse at Alexandria. This is the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. This is a Christopher Columbus, and then this is Sea Life. So these are 100% bronze. They're medallions. They all come with stands. Some of them have holes in the bottom where they fit on. Some of them just fit in the stand. Let me zoom back here a little bit. I thought they were really, really cool. They come with their original box. Some of them come with their paperwork. I'm not going to go into all that, but I wanted to show these to you. I think they're really, really cool. You know, I'm a history major, so seeing some of these just kind of, you know, made me happy. So I went ahead and picked them up. Okay, for the rummage sale. Gosh, okay. Oh, I also picked this up. This is really cool, and this glows as well. this mesh necklace. I'm not sure. I think these are just some sort of acrylic. This is definitely an older piece. I'm going to show you guys all the jewelry here really fast. Then I got this amazing glass stretch bracelet. I think this is brand new. It is modern, but it's in wonderful condition, and it's gorgeous. I love it. Then I got, whoops, we're losing stuff here. Edgar Allan Poe fell down. And a medallion. Just 1 second. It's always something, isn't it? What I was trying to do is show you this one. So this is a vintage wood necklace, probably from the 90s, early 90s, late 80s, I would say. Look at that. That is so early 90s. I love it. I don't remember if this one is marked. Could be, maybe not. I don't see a marking on. Well, yeah, I do. What are you? Are you Monet? You're Japan. That's cool. Did not realize that. Then I picked up this tiara. So this is a vintage tiara. What I really liked about it was this design on the sides. It kind of looks like snakes. So of course that drew me in. It does have barrettes attached to it. Really pretty piece. Absolutely gorge. So I went ahead and got that. I don't know why, but lately I've just been obsessed with tiaras and headbands and things like that. Then I picked this up. So this is vintage. It's this little fabric choker with these daisies, and it comes with matching earrings. Super cute. I'm gonna move things over here as I show them to kind of make more space. Then what else did I get over here? Oh, I got this pig at the rummage sale. He is from the 60s, maybe 70s. He's wonderful. He's mechanical. The bank stays closed unless you push this up. I just think he's phenomenal. He's big. Look how big he is. He's so good. Okay. Let's go back into some of the jewelry here. So I did end up getting a grab bag of jewelry, and it turned out to be what I think is pretty cool. So in the grab bag, there was this gold tone, it's very long, this key necklace with some gold. There are these really pretty lever back earrings, little floral gold tone, really cute. Then these remind me of J. Crew. I don't think they were marked. These little gold tone and enamel earrings. I love these. I may be the only one, but I have picked up a few of these kind of beige colored gold tone enamel pieces that were so popular back in the day. Then in the grab bag, there were 2 of these hoop earrings with kind of like this glittery black effect. I like those too. I was very pleased with this little grab bag. This got attached there, but these are some gold tone and enamel earrings as well. These are all in wonderful condition. Then this, this one I think could be J. Crew, but I didn't see a hang tag. It looks very much like J. Crew, and it's in wonderful condition as well. Right here, I do believe this one is vintage. This is really pretty, and look at the chain on this. Really nice. Here's the back of it. I just wanted to show you what was in the grab bag. There was this patriotic heart, maybe for the 4th of July. These little acrylic star earrings, which I guess you could wear with that. Then these little hoops with rhinestones. I thought these were cute. Really cute. That may be it. No, it's not. Then these were also in the grab bag. Well, where are they? Where are they? They're gold hoops. Hang on. Okay, here they are. I thought these were cool as well. Kind of this brush gold. Kind of Mayan looking in a way, maybe. Love those. Then the rest I bought individually. So I thought these were super cool. These hoops with these glass balls. Oops. And the star. Really nice earrings. I'm going to research these. I don't know anything about them, but I thought they were really cool. That hoop looks so similar to the other one. Then I picked up this. I just thought this was really pretty. It does not glow, but it has some beautiful amber colored rhinestones, silver tone, vintage, really cute. Then I got this set. So this is quite a statement ring. This is glass rhinestones and enamel, and it comes with this beautiful glass bracelet. These beads are all glass. I love the black. It's so pretty. Really nice. The stretch is perfect. I don't know if this has ever been worn, so I went ahead and got that. Now this I did get for me. We're talking about all the Greek and Roman things. So I grabbed it because I saw this, and I was like, okay, I know what this is. I didn't realize on the back there was this Greek owl, Athena, a horse. Yeah, this is so me, and I love it. So this is going in my permanent collection. Then I picked this up. This is a gorgeous black glass necklace. I like the little rhinestones in there for the added bling. Really pretty silver tone. It is modern, but it is beautiful. I'm not going to spend too much time. Let me scroll back here. But I did pick up some vintage books as well because, well, I always do. I got this one on Native American heritage. This is beautiful. This is a photo album, and it is from China. I love this tie. It is brand new, never been used. I picked up this vintage Little Woman book because I had to, as well as Anne of Green Gables. There is a book here about Mayan and Aztec civilization that I had to get. And out of the books, this is probably the coolest. This is Jenny. This is an antique book. Look at this. 1876 was when this was put in this book. Now, I haven't really flipped through it very much. Look at this. Jenny, the watercress girl. Guys, this book is incredible. The stories it could tell, the people who read it. Oh my gosh, I just love this. I love the cover as well. It's phenomenal. And the last thing, this is heavy. My favorite author, or at least one of them, I think he is. This is a vintage compilation of all of Edgar Allan Poe's works, and it just doesn't want to focus. This is from the 60s. I have several volumes like this, so I will be offering this for sale. I couldn't leave it behind. I'm sure you guys understand that. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. Like I said, very eclectic. Very eclectic. I did pick up some plush as well, but I've decided not to show them in the haul. They will be shown in upcoming sales. I did show some of them yesterday, some vintage, some really nice plush. Okay, guys, I hope to see you this weekend. Please, everyone, stay safe. If you were in California and you were affected by the fires, you are in my thoughts. I cannot even imagine. And for everyone else in line for these crazy storms that are about to come, I'm thinking about you guys too. So everyone, please stay safe. I hope to see you today again, 6 Eastern, 5 Central on Simon Says Let's Make a Deal. And then Saturday, noon Eastern, 11 Central. Okay, guys, take care. Have a great Wednesday. Bye.